Hey everybody, quick little message for everyone. With your programming, yeah, we try to make everything optimal and efficient, but one of the most important things is scheduling and rest time. I am unfortunately dealing with that right now because I've been going hard, I'm talking hard in the gym, with work and everything, making videos for you guys and the whatnot for the past like 2.5 months, and it's finally taken its toll on me. And I woke up this morning and I was just like, yeah, I'm not doing anything. Got my kids ready and then just rolled right back over and went to sleep. So schedule in rest time, because your body needs it. And the older we get, unfortunately, the more rest we're gonna need. So let's factor that in. I'm going to start making that a little bit more of a staple in my programming, and you should too. I'm not saying take a month off, but a couple of days, every few weeks is very, very smart. I mean, to be honest, I knew that, but very thick-headed, and I love the gym. So, alrighty, schedule in your rest time, get your rest, and let your body heal. Thanks.